Dem baş godaran heja Shaheen Bekir Circle Bare. Hello everybody, this is Shaheen and I'm gonna present a chain of new lessons, and today we'll present lesson 1 in Kurmanci Kurdish and then translated into English. I'll read each Kurdish sentence once and the English sentences twice. You know, we Kurds have several names. For example, when I left Syria, in my Syrian passport, it was written Shaheen Bekir. And this Shaheen Bekir in Austria and Germany became Shaheen Bakir. And when I came to Australia, then it was Shaheen Baker. You know, this Baker is actually a very common English name, and people usually ask me sometimes, where did you get it from? I say, well, it's also a Middle Eastern name, and so on. So much for my name, and let's start with lesson 1. The Sibe dikiye. What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? Sibe karê metunem ez ê nimal bim. I have nothing to do tomorrow. I'll be home. Dixwazî bi min re biçî bajêr. Do you want to go to the town with me? Do you want to go to the town with me? Karê, çima na, bi kêfxweşî, em ê çi bikin li bajêr? Yes, why not? Gladly. What will we do in the town? Yes, why not? Gladly. What will we do in the town? Em ê ji xwe re bigerin, min bihîst xwaringeheke îtalî li taxa serek vebûye. Em dikarin bi hev re navreyê jî bixwin. We'll go for a stroll. I heard an Italian restaurant has opened in the main street. We can also have lunch together. Karê, dibêjine baş e lê buha. Yes, they say it is good, but expensive. Nake. Bo navreyê tu mêvanê min î. Never mind. You are my guest for lunch. Never mind. You are my guest for lunch. Pirr spas dikim. Li ez ê jî bilêtên sînemayê bikirim, li dû navreyê em ê biçin dîtina Fîlma Napoleon. Thank you very much, and I will pay for the cinema tickets. After lunch, we'll go to see Napoleon movie. Başe, me li hev kir. Ez ê demjimêr 10 te ji mala te rakim. Okay, that's good. I will pick you up from your house at 10. Bi trênê ne baştir be? Li bajêr dîtina şûneke rawestandina otomobîlê nehêsan e. Wouldn't it be better by train? Finding a parking place in the city is not easy. Wouldn't it be better by train? Finding a parking place in the city is not easy. Bi gotina te ye. Em ê demjimêr 10 li rawesteka trênê hev bibînin. Bû! You are right. We will meet at the train station at 10 o'clock, okay? You are right. We'll meet at the train station at 10 o'clock, okay? Karê, de ta sibe. Roja te yeke xweş be. Yes, till tomorrow then. Have a good day. Yes, till tomorrow then. Have a good day. Okay, all the best for now. Till we meet again. Goodbye. Te bi xatirê we ji bo niha ta hevdîtina di derseke din de.